Blessings. My name is Sanko from Maccabee. I'm the president of Gideon Force Organic Cooperative. And basically, I'm a farmer. And I was invited to this workshop to represent my group and also as an individual farmer. And I find that the workshop was very interesting and it was very enlightening still at the same time, because we learned about the Citrus Canker, which is a disease that attacks the citrus right now presently in the Caribbean. We learned how to identify it, the different techniques that you would use to identify such a disease. And we also learned how to try to contain it and to try to eradicate it basically. And there was definitely a lot of reasoning between the customs and the quarantine unit. And there was also different other agencies that were present here at this time, other farmers, to learn about this particular disease and how we could actually deal with the disease when we actually find it in St. Kitts and Nevis still. So it was a very intuitive session, and it was very good to see that all the different persons of interest could come together and reason about this, because it's important to quarantine diseases in our country and try not to let them even come into our country if we could. And we have to find ways to actually get rid of them when they do come into the disease. And I think it was very enlightening to learn the different techniques that you can use, and whether it's different, some persons use pesticides, sometimes you have to cut the tree all the way down, sometimes you have to even send back a container that is full of a particular disease and not even allow the container to be opened again when you already recognize that the disease is here.